Hey everyone, welcome back to Koding in Kotlin. We are here with Igor again. Igor and I, should I say. How is it going? Did you miss us? Yeah, I hope you did. I hope you did. Igor already shared his screen, but it's kind of black. Like this. Not too informative. But yeah, what we are going to do today, we are completely tired of Korche. We decided that it's not documented enough, it's not powerful enough, we can't understand how to do lots of basic things, and it seems to be kind of buggy. For example, we can't even debug what's wrong with collision detection in Korche. Collision detection should work, at least in our basic tasks, kind of perfectly, and it doesn't. Also, well, sometimes you just don't understand how to write things correctly. I mean, you can't just add, for example, Kotlin X serialization there, and we faced numerous other issues. We don't want to fight them anymore. So we decided to try something completely new. Today we are trying libktx, and probably we will stick to it for next, I don't know, 20 episodes. Or if it completely doesn't work, then maybe we'll try Godot Korche, or who knows, maybe something else.
Yep.
What is libktx? libktx is a library built on top of libgdx, and libgdx looks like a very mature, established game dev framework for Java. It has basically everything: networking, I don't know, physics, and so on, many other stuff. It is kind of low level. It works with something jail-like. Igor, did you understand if it works with actual OpenGL?
Yeah,
it works with the actual OpenGL, and sometimes you have to understand something about OpenGL. I don't. Hopefully, Igor does. Well, at least he is much smarter than me, and probably he will figure out things much faster than me. But I read some documentation. I tried to bootstrap a toy project, and probably it is what we should start doing right now. Like, you need a test project. Let me
should we
share
put that
Igor's screen.
or should we do that somehow differently?
What did you say?
Should I do it in idea?
No. Let's do it with this. Let's showcase this tool. How GDX liftoff GDX. Kotlin. Yeah, now I'm offended. Code len, like length of code.
Yeah.
You don't use alt.
Liftoff. GDX liftoff is the project we're trying to do.
It's actually just a tool. It's not very beautiful, but it does its thing. It helps you to create some kind of, I don't know, bootstrap project with libgdx. It has lots of abilities
and a very silly release names.
Yeah, I mean, who cares? Actually, when you have 11 major releases, you probably don't have any other choice. Yeah, it's just a single jar. They don't even provide us with shell, but it's still kind of simple to launch. Maybe let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's see what we have. Wow, it generates some names.
No. I already tried running it, so it remembered that I did that, probably in some settings. So this is like before the stream, I just tried it for like 5 minutes just to see that it works. And I already created a name for this. So what are we going to do?
I'm not sure. We have several options. Let's be arcade. com Koding Kotlin, let's go. Sound looks good to me. Probably
Why
it should be com
com?
GitHub Koding Kotlin.
Com GitHub, okay. Why it's common?
Because GitHub.com.
All right.
Yeah, it's kind of reversed FQDN. And you actually don't need this .arcade because you have it in the name of your project.
Okay.
Yeah, main looks good to me. Probably we should select folder for our future project.
Let me just.
Wow.
Wow. Nice. The redraw doesn't work as it should.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of...
All right. Yeah. So idea project, Koding in Kotlin.
Arcade, yeah. Arcade GDX. What? Why?
Just because letters.
Yeah. Okay. Let's decide on our platforms. I would add, just for the sake of interest, the second platform. I would add JavaScript, HTML, TVM. Yeah. So also probably could we please return to the platforms again? There are interesting parts, server and shared. Probably they also make sense to add, just in case if we decide to create something for server. And I like that they create a full project for you, not like Korche, where you should figure out everything yourself. Here you can, if you will have some server without UI, they will create module for you. Makes sense. I am not sure if you need headless. I can't imagine why would we. Shared,
some other like separate compute stuff. But I mean, that could be a server, right?
Yeah, now I started thinking, oh, like, do I understand correctly that headless will actually give you opportunity to launch a game without an actual UI? Like, all the graphical stuff, it will be in there, it won't be just drawn.
Yes, I would assume so.
Yeah, but it's kind of interesting too. Like no open implementation of graphics.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, in languages we need only Kotlin, 1.8.20 is the latest. Now let's navigate to extensions. There are lots of extensions. I don't... probably you can scroll down to KTX extensions. Does it have... Oh, no, okay. Then let's... Do we need this, Ashley? Wait. Could you please return back to extensions? You kind of know why could we need this, Ashley, right? Entity system.
I have no idea. I feel like we should not click too many things here. I would like to have box2d probably. Maybe Ashley is also nice to have.
Do you want to have AI?
To add it later.
Do you want to have controllers?
Everything will broken. On like what? Why do you use libktx tools? No, okay. Controllers.
Yeah, this bullet we want to use 3D for now, so we don't need bullet. Box2d lights, I don't have any idea. Let's
just pretend that we are not a real software developers and we don't care about.
Yeah, we just click things.
For me, this is like too many checkboxes, and I don't trust open source too much.
I mean,
I would not click anything here and just go ahead and create.
Yeah, but in third party, we definitely need some parts. We need some KTX parts. Yeah, there are lots of stuff. So, for example, if we clicked Ashley, we probably need KTX Ashley. Let's see. Asset management, probably we need KTX assets. Yeah, we definitely need KTX app. KTX sectors, I don't know. Assets, I think, I don't know. Collections, KTX collections. So you decided just to type to hit all the stuff.
I mean, it all makes sense.
What is inject? I'm not sure. Log probably makes sense. Math definitely. Preferences, hopefully makes sense. Reflect. What is reflect?
No
I'm not
idea.
sure.
Okay.
Scene2D. What is Scene2D? Yeah, like GUI
assume-
builder.
Yeah.
Widget style builder.
Tiled,
We
I think.
definitely need tiled because it will give us ability to build some map, probably, or import some map. With UI. Yeah. Okay, this I don't understand. Probably we don't need them. I don't know.
Oh boy.
Yeah, there are lots of things. It is good, but at the same time, it's good because it means that community is kinda mature. What is on the top? Oh my god, it's huge. I think we don't need anything here.
Okay.
We definitely need to choose another template.
There is a
This
template
template
called
should
case.
be, yeah, Kotlin.
Okay.
Yeah, this is actually the most important thing probably, because it's recommended in the libktx itself. What is your Java version?
I
17?
have 19.
Okay. You can do the same for server Java version and for desktop Java version. Just status. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe like that.
Application version, server, application version. Server
Yeah, it
Java.
can be even 001. Now let's generate it.
Is it
wait,
actually
wait. Should
19.0
we,
or what is it?
it's not important.
Okay.
I believe this number box won't even allow you to set something different. Yeah, probably we need GUI assets. And yeah, at this point we should probably hit generate project.
Setup complete.
Yeah.
HTML does not support Kotlin coroutines. Extension status KTX, I think, might not. What? Might not. What?
Might not work.
Okay.
But actually it's written here might work. Like accidentally.
You think it says might work? Okay.
It's basically the same. Might work and might not work is the same level of guarantees.
It's like a window inside a window. Oh my god. Okay, exit application. Now what?
Now let's change our directory to this application.
Arcade like. Is it would that be a problem if I have a plus in my?
I don't think so, but let's hit Gradle W build just for the sake of interest. You download something. Actually,
what is TVM? You know what? You know that?
yeah. So some time ago, I told you about Git, which is technology that compiles Java to JavaScript. TVM is kind of like Git, but it compiles not Java source code, but Java class files like Java bytecode to JavaScript, and this way it can support Kotlin and other JVM languages. It can support basically any library, and it is already built, and it's much faster. I don't know, for some reason we can already navigate to directory something /web app and launch Python -m mini HTTP server and navigate to it.
All right, interesting. I'm not. Is it like considered mature, or do you know about that?
No. TVM is it's many years old. I don't know, 5-10 years old, but it's constant beta.
Okay.
What do I want to find?
Gradle task.
Tasks.
How? Like yeah, it builds.
Yeah, actually TVM is just a static something. So you can scroll up a bit and copy paste. Yeah, at the bottom, like fifth line from the bottom /web app. Yeah. Let's just navigate to it. Yeah, and it works. It's a very basic game. You can actually, I'm interested. How big is it right now? Can you open the inspector and probably network page and refresh the page? Now we don't see anything behind our nice faces. It is 700 kilobytes.
Rather small.
Yeah, it's rather okay. Given that we have some PNG here, it's probably a couple of hundred kilobytes. So very basic implementation of game takes something like 500 kilobytes. Okay, now probably it's time. Wow, so it's actually 2 megabytes, right?
Yeah, I mean all the setup, so I'm not sure what's.
Yeah, but we can't be sure what's being loaded in there. So probably now it's time to open the thing in IDEA.
Can I do like this?
Yes. You should be able to.
Oops, it opens community version.
That's not perfect, but probably we don't really care. Well, unless you want to launch a code with me session.
Yeah. Okay. I will launch it from launcher then.
By the way, it should have its own shell launcher too. You can probably rename it. Folks, make screenshots immediately. Some proprietary SQL there.
Not that proprietary.
Very,
all right,
very proprietary.
Open. No, wait, no. Yes.
Yes, open.
All right, this one.
Yes, this one. Let's see if it will break IDEA. No, actually, I'm shocked. Plus breaks nothing. And I love this README. It describes nicely what do we have. All the modules we have.
What is this? Why?
It's downloading sources.
Why?
For you to be able to navigate to sources.
All right. Okay.
Actually, it's possible to disable this option, but it was so frequent request for it to be enabled by default.
Okay, I see.
To be enabled by default, so that now it's enabled by default.
Duplicate content routes, download prebuild.
You should not care about it.
Okay.
You can hit this always download button at the bottom right.
But what if I download once? Okay. I don't like when stuff is doing too automatic.
Yeah. What we are doing right now. Yeah. Hey Yopox. Sorry if I pronounce it incorrectly. Answering your question about is TVM new? No, it is not. It is kinda old. I believe it's, I don't know, 10 years, maybe 8 years old. It was meant as a replacement for GVT, Grid.
Yeah, I mean, it's the first release in 2014, so almost 10 years old.
No. It's only first page.
Oh, right. You're correct. Yeah.
Yeah,
well.
it's still 14 years. Yeah, so it's like kind of 9 years old. And as you saw just now, we built successfully a simplistic game. If it won't work for a more complex game, we will just disable it. I mean,
can I move this blue thing with?
I actually can't see the blue thing because I have Koding Kotlin logo right there.
Yeah, but I like. All right. Can Yeah. Okay.
I
Right. So
know which thing do you want to remove?
I want to move this to the left.
No. Or
Okay.
I don't know how.
Customize toolbar.
I can see any
Main
spacers
toolbar
here.
right. It says main toolbar right. Run
Yeah.
with customize the blush. So what if I do this? Main toolbar left. Aha. Add action. No. Add action.
It actually can work. Debugger actions. Run.
Debugger run.
Yeah, what do you want to move there? Maybe run and debug will be enough to have that. Yeah.
The file.
Yeah, it makes sense. You can't actually run this file.
Okay. Keep talking.
And nobody explodes. And how was the game called? Keep talking and
Nobody
explodes. So yeah, folks,
Run
if
with
you
options.
didn't try this game, it's awesome.
Run
I
widget.
mean, run with options looks like your friend.
Yeah.
I'm not sure why we are doing it right now, but okay. I can see it there.
Yeah, okay, forget it. Let's move back to the...
Okay, so let's look in the structure of our project. It's basically several modules. Core, which is what? Which is all the gaming logic, I believe. Yeah, it's our main class that already uses some goodies from Kotlin. We can look at this render function. It's basically a render loop, something being executed in each cycle inside our virtual machine. Batch is, if I understand correctly, batch is a batch of actions that will be executed in OpenGL, and then we execute several actions, since we can execute several actions inside this batch. We have this dispose function that basically disposes everything we allocated. Probably
That's like
at the end, when the screen is disposed for some reason, then it's being disposed. Clear screen is something mysterious to me, actually. I'm not sure why should we clear the screen before each iteration in OpenGL.
Otherwise, it will be from the previous statement. It doesn't refresh. It tries to save the cycles as much as possible.
Do I understand correctly that if we will comment out this clear screen now, it will draw correctly because we do basically the same action each frame. We draw the same picture. So it's like rule of thumb that you should have this clear screen function, because probably you don't need. Yeah, probably you don't want this behavior. Probably you want to have your screen empty, but when you repeat the same action every time, and your screen doesn't change, you don't actually need to clear screen. So core is what will be launched inside our launchers. Then we have several. No, we don't have. We don't have several. We have none, actually. We have several, how do you call it, front ends, LWGL3, headless, and TVM. I like how the modules are named because it's kind of intuitive. And we definitely don't need a plugin for Git because we won't use it.
Okay.
It even won't work with Kotlin.
Okay.
Let's open, for example, LWGL3 module on the left in your project.
Let me just close the window.
Yeah, sure.
What did you want to see first?
LWGL3 module. On the left?
Yeah.
Yeah. Find a main class for us, please. Yeah, launcher. Nice. So it's very simplistic. It just creates a new application from our main class with some default configuration, sets title to our window, sets size of the window, and sets window icon. I can see this weird snippet, set window icon with map inside. I don't know if I like it or if I hate it, because on the one hand, okay, we don't provide each icon name explicitly. On the other hand, why the hell we write such a complex code for such a simple task?
Okay, so how do we do it in Kotlin?
Yeah, it's very Kotlin-esque. I mean, but you can just, put libktx 128.png and so on.
Like this?
And yeah, but you don't need you need not curly braces, but parents, and it should be array of. Do you remember this array of function? Yeah, like this.
Yeah, I guess someone didn't want it to write too much.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of makes sense and kind of doesn't at the same time. Yeah, and you need to put asterisk before array of. It's.
I mean, it's still.
Oh, actually, you don't need this array of. Yeah, just remove the whole array of stuff, and this parents. Yeah.
This is nice.
I mean, I'm not sure what's better. For me, it's just easier to read. On the other hand, you won't ever read it. We can try to launch it. Yeah. It seems to be working.
Okay, yeah, it does.
I don't remember the actual initial sizes.
Doesn't matter. How do I launch Shift F6? Shift F5? Shift F6?
I don't remember. Now I'm in a funny situation where my laptop is broken and I don't know a single hotkey on Mac.
Okay, actually, how do I? I want to know the window class for this.
What do you want to know?
Window class of this.
Wow, why?
Yeah, okay. Forget about it. I just wanted to make it flawed on the start, but and we could not do it with Jorge because Jorge has a very weird name or something.
Yeah, this is all Java, so I wouldn't be sure that this thing is different. Yeah, okay. If I understand correctly. Yeah, what is interesting, we have completely different front-end implementations for TVM and for LWGL3. Can you please open TVM logics? For example, launcher. Yeah. So yeah, it has its own window sizes, and they are kind of independent. It's being initialized in a different way. Also, there is a TVM builder, but I think TVM. I'm not even sure if we can. What's going on? Ah, you're trying to open it. Okay. So, TVM builder is kind of fancy thing. If I understand correctly, it's the class that actually builds the static site for you. Mm-hmm. If you will launch it, it will put lots of lots of logs into your output, but won't actually launch anything.
Okay.
And
Right.
What's in headless?
What?
What's in headless? Do you remember we also have headless front end?
Actually, yeah.
Oh yeah. So this is kind of smart. Headless application is built the same way as default desktop application, with basically the same configuration. You just pass your main class there, and they set up something like, yeah, shared is obviously empty. We don't have any shared logics. Shared logics should potentially be shared between core and server classes. What's inside server launcher?
Just close it. Not much.
Actually nothing. So again, makes sense. We don't have any backend. We probably will need it later. For now, it's just an empty server. I also think that
I would like to point out that even though I'm not a Kotlin or Java developer, I like this structure much more than the one that I got from Jorge. So this is much more natural.
Yeah, for me, it's just, natural is a good word. And I would also say it's a good structured thing. Now I know exactly where should I put all the stuff. Well, maybe not exactly, but at least I have rough understanding how it should be organized and how it can be organized. We can also open dependencies of different things. I'm not sure if we want to dive in it right now.
No, let's. Okay, right now I want to do a very simple thing. Let's say I want to add like a square or a circle. Let's remove.
Okay, makes sense. As you can imagine, I don't have any idea. So probably we should Google for libktx, because all the basic stuff is inside libktx. Well, the very fact that you can Google for this thing is already promising compared to Jorge.
Yeah. Okay. Simple
Circles
class
code
with a center point and radius.
If I understand correctly, you can click either on code, either on circles.
I mean, this describes a circle. Okay.
Yeah, makes sense.
How do I add it to the thing?
What is?
Okay, it actually recommends to run it with the liftoff.
Okay. It's even in the official wiki. Nice. Yeah, we don't need it.
Get it running. We already did. What to do next? Simple step.
Look, Yopox recommends to look into shape renderer.
Okay.
We can probably navigate look for shape renderer in Google or navigate to this class.
Okay, how do I navigate? Control B? No.
Control N on my machine.
Control N. Shape renderer. Shape renderer, docs, graphics, details, disposable shape types. Yeah, okay. This is much more understandable. I'm not sure if it's because we just had some experience with
do you mean that the code is much more readable?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
It's like
first of all, it's Java. It doesn't have any fancy things in it, so it's always very simple compared to Kotlin. In Kotlin, you can sometimes write a complex, beautiful but complex code. Here, it's basically impossible. So we should probably create shape renderer in instance. Yep. But probably you need to do it inside batch.
Really? Why?
Because we should do everything in batch, but something is wrong with circle. What's wrong with it? No. You need to pass radius.
All right, absolutely. And the color, or what was that? The last
I'm
one.
not sure. I believe it's just they should be floats. All three things are float. Probably no. Now they are doubles. Probably you need to put F. Yep.
It's like Fortran again.
Why do they use floats? Is it because doubles have too much precision? That is not important.
Why nothing is going on? Current file. No. You did configure.
Just hit this play button. Wow.
Yeah, but now I changed. I think I need to figure out here pick the configuration, right? And I want to run
LWGL3 run tasks run application.
Other?
Yeah, I think it's inside application run. Yeah,
Okay.
right. No, but it doesn't launch. What's wrong with it? Can you show me the whole stack trace, please? Begin must be called first. What? Yobox, if you have any idea.
I think this is the place where we need to spend some time reading documentation.
Yeah, we should do it inside. Yeah. Yobox writes that we should use it outside of batch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it has begin. And he proposes to read KTX graphics.
Whoops.
Yeah, that was fine. KTX graphics, yeah. Is it? Circle, nice. On the left side, yep. Position, vector 2.
Okay. libktx, ktx.
We have a link from your box. libktx/3 graphics.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
Usage example. Camera, shape, color, distracting color, circle, renderer, circle. What the hell?
Yeah, basically that's what we do. I'm not sure if you need this begin and end sections. Let's try to run without them. It still fails. Yeah, but they do basically the same, right? Render.circle.
Yeah, I think it's overloaded for when the position is not.
Yeah, but
render
anything, right? Of course, we can create vector 2.
Shape renderer use the example just above.
Oh, by the way, this one is important. Shape render.use shape type field, and you need to pass camera in there. Just copy paste this stuff. I'm not sure if we need camera, but we can use it also.
Yeah, where would I want to put this? Here?
Here. Now you can, I mean, for debug purposes, we can do it anywhere.
Operate on shape renderer instance. How do I this circle? Okay.
No.
Self.
No. Of course, it's in self. Yeah. What's in the example?
Okay, camera combined, begin, shape renderer. Okay. In the begin, you specify this. This is like
the
same.
But it's the same as using the block. And it's just a reading. Could you please navigate back to code for a second? Yeah. First of all, let's import this orthographic camera. It's red. Something is wrong with it. Yeah, nice. So let's just call circle. Yeah, it's circle. Nice.
I mean, circle would work as well. No. Okay.
Okay, makes sense.
Camera.
Camera should be a field too, probably.
Oi.
Oi.
Okay. Projection match on camera. Okay, understand.
Question.
Yeah.
Probably we need other coordinates to create the circle. Or probably we don't. But should we give some color to the circle? Probably we should.
We don't see it anywhere, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. We don't see it. What is the return type of circle? Or you can go. You can look for color on this page. Return type of circle is void, so no return type. Okay. Color.
I think in the color would be passed to the shape renderer.
Yeah, probably you're right. And then
shape type field, circle position, bitmap font, create. I mean, usually the API for just calling.
Oh, probably it should be inside block of. That's not okay. I mean, we have this shape renderer. Let's try to find something color related in it. Color. Set color. TNF?
No.
TNF?
TNF.
I don't know. But what's it complaining about? Yeah, you should pass just color there. I mean, no. Okay. You can do it like this too. Still no result. But wait, is it black? No. We need. Let's just put. I don't know, colors.black there. Colors from capitalized, I think. It will be either colors. Yeah. Okay, color black. Nice. Close the parent split. Yeah.
Delete the line. How do I delete the line?
Control Y on my machine.
Control Y?
Yeah. For me, it's delete line.
I will think about this later. I don't see my circle. I see this very small dot here, which I'm not sure if it's. No, it's on my. Yeah.
Yeah, probably you see something that's on your display.
I have something on my screen.
Yeah, something invisible to us. Okay.
100.
Is the order important? Maybe that we need to first draw circle and then set color.
No, definitely not.
Yeah, it should be color equals. And okay, what else do we have? Okay, let's see how they use it without color equals, without equals. What? Oh my god.
Keep talking.
I'm already trying to explode actually, because you're doing something very sophisticated.
Very what?
Sophisticated. I mean, looking on GitHub for some random snippet. Yeah, but we can already see it.
Color
That's
position.
basically what we do, right?
Yeah. So why we don't see it?
I don't have any idea.
This color set color.
What is this?
Yes. I mean, it's probably about the circle itself. That probably does not matter. Color pink, circle, circle. Init shape renderer. It's not even in the shape renderer. Here, okay.
But
Shape render. Ah, no, it is. So it's color and then circle. Yeah.
yeah, the
Screen.
only difference I can see. Let's do following. Let's increase our radius to, I don't know, 1000. Well, what? Oh, you cleared screen. Let's do following. Let's change our circle coordinates to 0, 0. Oh man, look at this command. You need to set projection matrix for shape render and batch. Here it's. I read something
I
about
mean, it
by-
should be set to something that is
what.
different. Shape render.
Oh, by the way, it's even projection matrix will be copying.
Yeah.
Now it works.
Yeah.
Okay, what is projection matrix? Is it
It's
like
the way the world
camera
would.
views?
Yeah, kind of.
Camera views our whole game from some perspective and sees only part
Basically,
of our...
you have the world, like
Yeah.
I have my room here, but
Yeah.
you can only see me and what the camera shows.
So yeah, and my 0, 0 point is actually somewhere around your shoulder and not the actual end of your room, right?
Yeah. How do I do width? Okay, config apply. What?
They have it some hard coded somewhere. Yeah, you won't have this width because they have this constant.
Yeah, and what like this simplifies all this because I mean the camera. Having a camera as a separate entity should simplify all the things related to making it scalable.
Oh,
Because when you pick the camera, it's been drawn from the point of view of the camera, and then you can move the camera separately without additional changes, and that's why.
oh, so like your world can live its own life, but the whole world can live its own life, but camera will see only a part of it. By the way,
Yeah.
it's already nice.
Now I want to move it. I want to move it. Move it. Move it. I want to move it. Move it. Yeah. KTX, GDX graphics. Let's look at the.
There
inputs.
was rotate. I already saw it in the from the first glance, but probably you don't look. Isn't move some property of box 2D? But you can probably. Oh no. Like you wanna move the primitive. You know what? How do you wanna move it? Like horizontally?
For example, yeah. That doesn't move. Delta.
Yeah, of course it won't move.
Delta would be the same.
Because, yeah, I think you need to instantiate a separate entity for your circle. No, I think you can actually create just instantiate circle. Create a new circle. But it's math circle. Wait, it's crazy. What happens inside this function dot circle? It dot circle. No, this way it won't work. What happens
Combat
inside?
logic
Can you
GDX GLUTIL's shape renderer. So
What?
it's a function in a shape renderer.
Yeah, but can you please navigate inside this function? That's why we actually need. And it calls circle inside, and it does what? Navigate to this circle. Oh my god!
I mean, it also has a number of segments in it. So
Yeah, but I just thought that they create some primitive, but they actually don't. They really draw the actual circle. So you're right. We need to set initial x. What is delta? What is delta?
here, it's passed in the render.
Yeah.
Same as in Godot. It's a time difference between the
between actual renders.
Yeah.
Yobox, I'm so grateful for you to you that you came and actually help us. It's so cool. I mean, it would be impossible to do without you. Well, not impossible, but it will definitely took more time. Would definitely take more time. You still need parents around if everything. By the way, I think that we have or. Please try or instead of double pipe. Yeah.
Do you have?
You also don't need parentheses around more than.
You just said I do. You liar. No, what? Come on. Okay.
It's strong. Your flip-flop should be global, and you should invert it at some time.
Okay. Yep. It moves.
Approximove. Approximove.
What?
It's what Galileo said when the court said that actually.
Yeah. All right. So I want to have up and down to control y, and I would definitely need my private var y equals to 300f. I will put it here, and this read keyboard adjust y, probably not here but outside of this function. And now let's try to find out how to do the inputs.
Yep. Let's look for libktx keyboard. Event handling. Again, I already like it more than Korche. Oh, so we should implement input processor probably. No.
What?
Yeah, probably yes. Probably we have to implement input processor.
Input handler. Class Bob, set left move. Do you understand what I need to do?
Let me read a bit. I need to actually enlarge my screen.
Continuous input handler. If you want to move an actor using the input processor, you will notice it will move only when the key is typed or pressed and key down. Continue to. Oh my god, okay, this is a bit of a hassle.
What is it? Because I still don't understand.
Well, it
Oh,
doesn't.
I see. We
Yeah.
we don't have any stable rendering time, right? So we should, but our movement should continue, even if our I don't know, the whole scene took 2 seconds to render. The the actual movement should continue all the time.
This is a bit too much. Why it's not? Why is it not implemented? Probably
Yeah,
it's some.
First of all, probably we can look for what is. Probably let's look for libktx input.
Basic input processing. Basic input processing.
But if I understand correctly, you will constantly need to adjust to your rendering time.
Making the bucket move keyboard. If GDX input is key pressed, key left. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's oh, so it kind of can work like it is. Import plus GDX. Yes. Yes. And then it's our Y. And your 200, yeah. Nice.
The delta is rather small, so it doesn't really. Okay.
Yeah, but we can see it.
Y plus, Y minus. It actually works if I just hold the button.
Yeah, it should, and it should, because you multiply, and it's very smooth actually. I don't even know how would we implement it in Core here so smooth, because we don't have this delta multiplication.
I think we do, but it's hidden somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, of course it's somewhere inside, because Core itself should somehow calculate the new positions.
Yeah, okay. I think it's a good place to wrap it up for today.
Sure. Let's
Let's
create a repository, maybe. Do we still have time to create a repository?
Yeah. What should I do? Git add all the things?
Let's try to git add all. And let's look at git status. Do we? No. Now we see that it's wrong because we have added all the build directories. We should exclude them. And somehow it's added only to TVM distribution. Now we need to add build to git ignore. It's not. Oh no, it's there. No, it's not there, right?
Yeah, maybe it's in a different folder. Maybe we actually
No. It's everything is all right here as far as I can see. Somehow root build, yeah.
Yeah. Everything else seems fine. We don't need this jar, right?
No, we need it. We need it.
Okay.
It's actually the only binary we probably need in our repository.
All right. Everything else seems to be decent and necessary.
Yeah. That looks fine. By the way, if you will still have time, we can try to build and launch a browser version.
Yeah, I will have maybe like 10. Let me just check.
Yeah, sure. Let's first commit and create repository and all the stuff. By the way, do we have a separate repository?
No, not yet. Add
Oh no, I meant separate organization.
No, we don't.
So probably we need to create it.
Do you want to create it yourself?
I'm working on it right now.
Okay.
It will take some time, though.
Yeah.
Create new organization. Free. I will call it Koding Kotlin, right?
Yeah.
It's me at asmodee.site. Is it personal account or business or institution?
Please make all the decisions yourself.
Okay, will do.
I don't really care.
Yeah. Oh wait, you are not stream size smooth. You are CRA on GitHub, right?
Yes.
Nice. Organization is created. You should probably accept an invite there.
Yeah. Checking my mail. Nothing yet.
It can be right in your GitHub notifications.
I don't see anything yet.
Maybe you're already there, actually. Could you please open the Koding Kotlin organization? I will send you.
Yeah, okay. I see that I got it. Join. Yeah, I'm there. All right. Public repository named Arcade, I guess.
Yeah.
Something.
Maybe libktx Arcade, just in case.
Yeah. Arcade, and it's an empty one. So
yes.
Create. Git remote add. Git push, and we there. All right.
Okay, yeah, we are there. That's cool.
How do you add the GitHub action for this?
Actions, I think. Wait. No way. They have pre-set up action for us. Yeah,
Cool.
Please change Java version to 19 to have consistent Java version between your machine and GitHub Actions.
Set up Gradle build, and it should be which build?
Yeah, it basically should be enough to check if it builds.
Oh, okay.
We can
That's
improve on it later. If I do understand correctly, yeah, you're already in GitHub workflows. Nice.
Oi.
Wow. Wrong. Yeah. Something is wrong. Let's open the code.
It only works on pull requests.
Oh, I see. It should be on push probably.
I guess. On push. On schedule. Nice.
Yeah, let's just change it to on push.
Or push to master.
Love it.
Yes. Okay.
It tries to build.
Yeah. Let's change the name.
I already noticed that. Oh no, probably it's up to date. Nice.
Do we need to build it on?
It builds on all 3 operating systems. We don't actually need it, at least for now. Yeah, it's kind of interesting, but we don't need it for now.
How do I make the? Let's actually check if there is a KTX in GitHub action.
GDX, libktx probably. I can probably do it between our streams. I mean, setting up this thing shouldn't be too difficult. I would prefer to build TVM version for now, just, locally, and to launch it in browser.
Right now?
Yeah, why not? I don't remember the name of the task though. It should be under TVM tasks build probably. Maybe build. Yeah, it builds the stuff. Compiling. Okay, we can even open it from IDEA with HTTP server. Just find index HTML inside IDEA. Headless, LW, yeah, TVM, build, dist probably.
Weird color because it's not...
Because it's excluded from build.
Okay.
And yeah, just hit this Firefox or Chrome button in the top right.
Oh. Nice.
Let's see if it works. If it works, then it's nice. For now, it doesn't, though. Something is wrong. We can try to run it with Python. Build dist web app, yeah.
Oi. Yeah. Oh, wait.
Wait,
it
works. It actually works.
With Python it works, and the input works as well. With this one, it doesn't.
Yeah, so, yeah. It seems that maybe there is some bug in IntelliJ error. Or something like that.
Okay.
Is it still smooth for you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's actually take a look at the network tab now. Here, let me just refresh this. And it's still small.
Well, it gained like 5 kilobytes probably. But it may be just not completely deterministic.
Yeah. All right. What were we looking at? We were looking at the action if it run and it, yeah, completed. So just it builds.
Actually, it had enough time to build on all the operating systems.
Wow, I like this output here.
Did we see it before?
No, never.
Interesting.
Build scan. Yeah, I mean, I just took one of the first I found online, so I never saw that.
Looks good to me.
Yep.
It's
all right.
Very simplistic, but good enough to get an idea what's going on.
Yep. Let's finish here.
So, thank you very much. To me, it was fun. How did you feel about it?
I'm impressed that what we achieved today. Yeah, I mean, given the fact that I have no experience writing commercial Java or Kotlin code, I'm happy that we were able to run it. We were able to get some input and change it a bit in terms of size, and just the documentation is amazing. And yeah, looking forward to see what we can do later with that.
Yeah, me too. I mean, the documentation is just, order of magnitude better than Korche.
Yes.
So folks, if you liked it, then probably you can like it on YouTube too. Submit to our channels everywhere, and hopefully see you next time. Let's continue our adventure. See you.
Bye.
Bye bye.